couple as soon as we can. And within a week or so, I had 2 new cases, but I have never switched them yet. I thought I'd just experience a failure. I've shot it a couple times, and I have never experienced a failure, so let's see what happens. Where are we at? Right about there, probably. Let's see if I'm on there. Get a little farther out with the camera. That should probably work. Trying to stay on my tarp here, so I pick up brass. As Ray would say, pro tip. This is a pro tip from the KGB 69. Magpul. Glock with a Magpul GL9 in it. 17 rounds, loaded to capacity. Here we go. That was my non-singing steel target. Hey, I win. Perfect. We'll try it in the Glock 19. Glock 19. Go around. It worked fine though. We're gonna make that fast target go around. Out of there. Glock 41, 45, ACP. Oh yeah. Oh, hung it right on the back. There it came back. Definitely hits harder. It really spins them little targets around on that dueling tree. Did you see my dueling tree? Richie Galbraith, who does not have a YouTube channel but has been on several of my videos and maybe one of Ray's videos and Ed's video. Anyway, he was with us here when Ed and Ray and John and Scott came down. He and I put that together. I bought the targets, the flags for the dueling tree from, I'll show you. I only get one out. The flags. I think I'm going to have a heavier base for it. The flags came from Bullseye Metals or Bullseye Targets on eBay. And that's where my two 2/3 torso targets came from also. I like those 2/3 torso targets there. They have a little sound to them. That round one, man, it just got no ring at all. But it's all AR 500. Everything you see out there is, so Seems to hold up pretty well. The dueling tree. And here's the dueling tree with the 45 hitting it. Maybe. A little more thump.